Welcome back to Silicophilic. I recently experienced compile error in hidden module in Microsoft Word on Windows. It kept appearing whenever I opened or closed the application. You can get the error in Excel as well. After looking into the issue, I found that it's usually caused by outdated or incompatible add-ins, corrupted VBA components, or broken references in Office. In this guide, I will show you the solutions that helped fix the problem. Let's get started. Remove missing VBA references. If your VBA project contains references to libraries that are no longer available on your computer, Office may display these types of errors. Removing the invalid references allows VBA to load only the available libraries, which can resolve compilation errors and restore normal macro functionality. Here is what to do. First, open Excel or Word. Now press Alt plus F11 on your keyboard to open the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications editor. At the top, click Tools, then References. If you see any item that's checked and marked as missing, simply uncheck it and click OK. Close the VBA editor and restart the application to see if the problem is resolved. Enable macros and trust access to the VBA project. If macro security settings are too restrictive, VBA projects may fail to run or access the VBA object model. Enabling macros and allowing trusted access to the VBA project can help resolve these issues. Open Excel or Word, go to File then Options, then Trust Center. Click Trust Center Settings. Select Macro Settings. Enable the appropriate macro settings. For example, disable all macros with notification or enable VBA macros depending on your organization's security policy. Check Trust access to the VBA project object model. Click OK, restart the application and verify whether the issue is resolved. Disable problematic add-ins. If the error still appears, click File, then Options and select Add-ins. At the bottom of the window, choose COM add-ins from the drop-down menu and click Go. Disable all add-ins by unchecking them, then click OK. Restart Excel or Word. If the error disappears, re-enable the add-ins one at a time until you identify the one causing the issue. Perform a clean boot. Background applications and third-party services can also trigger Word errors. To identify the issue, perform a clean boot. Here is how you can do so. Press Windows plus R to launch Run utility. Type this in the Run command box and hit Enter. Open the Services tab, click Hide all Microsoft services, then click Disable all. Next, open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab, disable unnecessary startup applications, restart your computer. Now try opening Word again. If Word works correctly, one of the disabled background programs was causing this issue. You should also end all Word-related tasks in Task Manager. Re-register the Office application. If Microsoft Office components are not registered correctly, VBA features may not function as expected. Re-registering the Office application refreshes its registry entries and can resolve issues caused by missing or corrupted registrations. Close all Office applications. You can also close them from Task Manager. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box, type this command and press Enter. Wait for the application to open and complete the registration process. Close and restart the application, then check whether the issue has been resolved. Repair Microsoft Office. If updating doesn't help, repair your Office installation. Repair Microsoft Office. If the problem continues, your Office installation may be damaged. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Locate Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Click the three-dot menu, select Modify, select Repair. Restart your PC after the repair finishes. Also make sure Word is updated. Update Microsoft Office. An outdated Office installation can also cause this error. Open any Office application, click File, then Account. Under Office Updates, click Update Options and then select Update Now. Wait for the update to finish, then restart your computer. Update or remove the problematic add-in. If the error mentions a specific add-in such as PDF Maker, Acrobat or another third-party extension, update that software to the latest version. If an update isn't available, uninstall the add-in or disable it until a compatible version is released. That's it. One of these solutions should fix the compile error in hidden module in Excel or Word. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Silicophilic and hit the notification bell for more Windows and Microsoft Office tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.